This is a brand new 2019 Mitsubishi Outlander. We have several of these that the factory just sent to us. They're still brand new. And since they're 2019, there's some really great deals and incentives on these. This is the perfect car to call and talk to us about if you've got negative equity or you don't have a down payment. Those are perfect situations for a car like this. So if you owe more on your present vehicle than it's worth, give us a call. We might be able to get you out of it and into this. This is a four-wheel drive. It's got 3 rows of seats. Right back here, all of these packages are the floor mats and things like that. Here's the 3rd row. There are headrests that come into this that haven't been put in place yet. This seat will also fold forward, of course, for more storage. You got the 2nd row here. We'll look more at that. These come with a 10-year, 100,000-mile warranty, which is the best in the business, the best warranty in the industry. And you might find it interesting to learn that J.D. Power, for their 2020 initial quality survey, ranked Mitsubishi higher than any other Japanese auto dealer. That's above Honda, Toyota, in initial quality survey. So Mitsubishis in our country are not as popular as in other countries, but it's really something that you should give a little bit of thought to, because these are some great cars, great warranties, they go forever. West Mitsubishi is a member of Credit Union Direct Lending. So what that means is if you want to finance this beautiful car through your credit union, there's no reason to have to go in and apply at the credit union itself. Just come on into our dealership and we can get you approved, usually faster than they can. Also check out our Google reviews. Almost 1,200 of our clients have now left reviews on Google about their experiences. We've got a 4.9 out of 5 rating. That's higher than any dealer in the area. And the reason is we actually put customers first. It's not just a cliche saying, it's true. So come on in and give us a chance to show you why so many of our customers like us. We think that you'll be glad that you became a member of the West Mitsubishi family.